Product type. Outdoor_recreation_product. Package quantity. 1. No batteries required. Country of origin. China. Burley Designs patented pivoting hitch designed for easy attachment to most traditional bikes. Top reviews from the United States. This is a nice OEM high-quality piece. I bought this to replace the original, old one that I highly modified, and basically ruined, so that it would fit on a newer disc brake mountain bike. This is a nice OEM high-quality piece. Just buy the new metal mount, and the other accessory to convert the Burley to work with the new disc brake setup on all newer mountain bikes.